Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Jenna, back with more human fall flat. And I'm going to do with this. Okay? And if you're, and my name is Jenna, and this is my video of human fall flat. And then like this I skipped oh my god. Oh right, I should have gone through the ladders. I didn't have to go there. Silly me, I just forgot. Silly me. Okay. Oh my god! Ah! No! Why? Okay, let's just do this. Okay. Let's just do this. Ah! Yes! I dropped on phrases. Yes! Okay. Opa, wait! Left. Okay, I just blown with the box. Okay, let's just do this. And this. You guys know I need to jump. Oh, I'm too scared. Ah, I'm too scared. Weep. Yes. Weep. Yes. Weep. Yes, you guys. Yes. I made it. Come on. Go down. Come on. You gotta push. Yes. Thank you, Boxy. Let's go now. Oh yeah, let's do this one. Oh, awesome. I think I know how to beat this level. Let's just try like this. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Oh dun 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 dun. Down. There we go. Good. No. A little bit more down. There we go. There we go. Now grab two. Now let's have a big head start. Yes! Grab hold. Let's do this. Let's get the yellow out of there. Let's just grab the yellow out of there. Come on. Oh my god, I just almost fell. Muscle. Yes. Now let's go down. Boom. I just broke the glass. I'm gonna just do this. Okay, I'll just get this out of the way. Okay, I just broke the whole lever. Let me out the lever. I don't want to talk about this. Let's just do this. Come on, baby. Yes! No! I just slept! How did it slip from me? Okay. Yes! There we go. Swing and then swing back and swing forward, swing back, swing forward, swing back, swing forward. Oh yeah, just broke the whole glass. I just broke the whole glass. Oh, this is gonna be easy. I'm gonna smash it with the frickin' rock. Gonna smash it with the rock. Gonna smash. Yeah, that's how I do it. Okay, let's just do this. Okay, come on. Yes. Okay, let's do this. Oh yeah. And if you enjoyed this video, put like, also say you on the bell notification so you never miss a video of me doing Humidifier. Let me just bend this real Okay. I am the strongest. Okay. Now I will tell you who we're gonna fire in the hole. Who? Me! Yes, Meg, the genius one. Okay, there we go. Now fire! Woo! I'm not impressed. Now I need to. I couldn't have been through the bridge. But no, I don't want to go through a bridge just to go here. I want to do the hard way. Okay, let's just open the door. Yay! Okay, now let's just do these. Like, do these. Okay. Do this. Come on. Yes, that's perfect. That's so perfect. Okay. Ow! Okay, great. Ow! Why am I doing this? Okay, come on. Ow. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to put like and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.